we're going to change the hot water hose for my dishwasher. Currently it has copper line. I'm going to change it with the new flexible hose line. I got this from Home Depot. That's 5 foot, and it comes with all the adapters you need. The first thing I will do is I'll remove the copper line. I have already started loosening up the copper pipeline. So let me go ahead and loosen it up more. The problem here is you have very limited space to move your hands, so I feel this is the best way to get it done. I think it's loose now. Yeah, it's loose and the water is dripping out, but that's fine. I'm catching it with the cloth. Now I need to push the copper wire because over the time this has become a little hard, so I need to get this thing pulled back a little bit without breaking the other L-shape adapter. Right. Okay, I have loosened it up a little bit, so I'm going to pull it out. Again, as I said, it's limited space you have, so the copper line is out. Some water dripped out, and I have the clothes down here. You can use any old clothes if you want. So let me get the copper line out. Okay, just to let you know, the copper line was already removed from my shut-off wall. I'll show you here. So that's my shut-off wall, and the copper line was already cut. I already have the adapter here from 1/2 inch to 3/8, and the other adapter will go here. This is 1/2 inch, and this L shape 1/2 inch. I'm going to put an adapter to convert it to 3/8, and as I said, I have this universal dishwasher supply, which is 3/8 into 3/8. So this hose which I got has a small opening 3/8, and what I have is 1/2 inch. But as I said, this does have an adapter to convert it from 1/2 inch to 3/8. If you can see, 1/2 inch COM adapter, COM and FIP, that means it's on the shut-off wall and on the dishwasher. So let's go ahead and open this up. That's my copper line, the old one. Hose is removed from the packaging, and I measured it. It's bigger than the copper wire, which is good. It's flexible. So let me pass the hose through this hole first. Now let's go below the dishwasher and see the hose is out here. This does come with the washer in there, but it's always good to have this kind of a tape. It stops the water from leaking even if it's there any. So this is like a packing tape, I'm going to put this around the shut-off wall, and then I will put my hose. Tape has been applied. I'll go ahead and put the hose now. This part is done, it's tight. Now let's go and put it under the dishwasher. We have to make sure that the adapter which I'm going to put fits this one. Yeah, it fits. Let's try on the other side under the machine if that fits in there. I've put the white tape already. The white tape is here. Adapter. Try to tighten up as much as you can with your fingers. Once you're done, then use the plier. Adapter is tight. Also, I put the white tape here for packing it so that it doesn't leak. Now it's a turn for hose to go in. So let's go and put the hose in there. Try to again tighten up as much as you can with your fingers. Once you're done, you're out of your limit, then use the plier. Alright, so it seems all is tightened up. This is how it looks with the adapter. So this is the adapter. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open the shut-off wall and see if there is any leakage. This is on. There is no leakage. Let's go under the dishwasher and see if there's any leakage there. Under the dishwasher here, I see there is nothing. There is no leakage here. We can start on the machine now. While the machine is on, let's go down below and see if there's any leakage or any water dripping out. No, there's none. So we're good to go. Oh, so machine started. Not sure you can hear that. And I can see the hose is hot. That means the water is going through. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit me a like button and share and subscribe. That will motivate me to put some more videos like this, which will help you guys to do the DIY job. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment box and I'll try to answer it ASAP. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.